What's up, everybody? Just gonna do some freestyle trading. The three set trading strategy. Doing 3 trades, just a second or two apart. Starting out with 1348 bucks. Doing about $60 trades. It's about 4.5%. And let's go. Looks like it kind of turned around a bit. Just gonna give it another second. It's funny too, because those are some of the best times to get into, but sometimes it just keeps on going south. With trading 5-second charts too, it's nice to wait for just like a micro pullback if you do know the direction. Because it gives you just that extra second to get that timer in your favor. I made some good headway there. We're at 1900. When you do that 3-set strategy, it's like your mind gets into just automatically placing trades, and you get over the block of fear of losing trades, because you know you're gonna lose at some point, but it's not a big deal because overall the probability should work out for you. And when you do get into the strategy and the flow of the market, it seems like that's the case. These charts are really nice here. This one, we got lucky we picked it. It's got these really long spans of just steady candles. So I mean, you can pretty much just get in at any point almost, it seems, and it'll go in your favor. So yeah, let's end there. We got 20 seconds left on the timer. So we went from, what was it, like 13 to like 2 grand, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. If you got some value out of this, Really appreciate it if you just like, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want some more of this. But most importantly, just comment below and let me know how your trading's been going. Introduce yourself. I'll come check out your channel and I'll get in touch. Yeah, cheers everybody. Bless.